Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the top 3 cryptocurrencies to buy in the last days of 2022. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. So let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. 1. Polkadot. Polkadot is a new cryptocurrency that is gaining ground and joining the ranks of top coins like Ethereum. It stands out in the industry because of its parachains, which are a group of linked blockchains. DOT is a multi-chain blockchain because there are many blockchains running on top of each other to speed up transactions. These parachains are made to speed up transactions over many lanes and reduce network congestion. Polkadot made protocols that make it possible for its network to connect to other blockchains. Because its blockchain network is flexible, it is better able to change and meet a wider range of needs. Investors pay a lot of attention to DOT because it is more interesting. So, developers can also add new blockchains to the system and connect existing ones to it. Its place in the future of blockchain removes most of the risk that comes with it, making it one of the best cryptocurrencies for low-risk returns. 2. Polygon Matic. Polygon makes it possible for Ethereum-based blockchains to talk to each other. Matic is making a new Ethereum blockchain for companies and groups that want decentralized payment solutions. The network is called Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains because its main goal is to make it possible for Ethereum to be used in a multi-chain environment. Polygon says that it has a way to make layer 2 of the OSI stack more scalable. Using the network's unique transaction fulfillment technology, each sidechain can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second. The protocol also includes a new method called proof of stake, which could one day allow millions of transactions on the blockchain. Because of this, it would be very smart for you to invest in this low-risk cryptocurrency. 3. Binance Pen. The Binance ecosystem was built around the use of Binance Pen, and there are rewards for using it. BNB's value has gone up a lot lately because the Binance exchange is getting more and more attention. It is also used to pay transaction fees in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, where a lot of projects are being built at the moment. On the other hand, the Binance Pen can be used to lower the cost of trading. Because there is a lot of activity on the network, BNB price predictions tend to be optimistic, making it one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies for lower risk returns in June 2022. This utility currency can be used for more than just the Binance ecosystem. It can be used to buy things online, pay for entertainment and other services online, and so much more. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner-friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.